Hi, my name is Bonnie, and I wanted to share my meditation story with you. Before I started doing this meditation, I actually had a lot of anger issues, and I didn't realize that how my anger affected other people, how it affected my career, how it affected my personal life, and even how it affected me. It was, I was just stressed. I had a lot of insecurities. And in actuality, I became my own worst enemy because of it. It was a lot of repressed emotions that I had from, specifically from my childhood. And I had been looking for a meditation because I knew what I was feeling wasn't right, but I didn't know where it came from, and I didn't know how to let go of it. And so I had been reading a lot about meditation, and I happened to stumble across this meditation method. And as soon as they shared with me the method, I said, I'm definitely going to try it. And I'm so happy that I did. It was very simple, it was easy, and it allowed me to see what the root of my anger was, where it was coming from. And through this method, it also allowed me to let go, to get rid of it permanently. And it's been 15 years. And I can tell you, I have never been happier in my life. I am absolutely content, joyful. I love the life that I've created. Letting go, all of that allowed me to let go of all of these triggers that I had, and this insecurity and self-loathing. And I can say that I've never been happier, and I'm absolutely grateful to be here and to have found this meditation method.